Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a serious memory upgrade, the Timetec 160GB DDR4 SODIMM kit. This isn't your average RAM boost. We're talking about a massive injection of memory for your laptop. This kit comes with 10 16GB sticks, totaling a whopping 160GB. This Timetec kit is specifically designed for laptops, mini PCs, and all-in-one devices that use DDR4 SODIMM memory. It's not for your desktop, so make sure you double-check compatibility before you buy. The modules run at 2,400 MHz with a PC4-19200 rating, operating at a standard 1.2V. They feature a CL17 latency, which is pretty typical for this speed. Each stick is a dual-rank module with a 2RX8 configuration, based on a 1024x8 chip design. The primary benefit here is sheer capacity. 160 GB of RAM is overkill for most everyday tasks. But if you're a professional who works with large datasets, video editing, or runs virtual machines, this could be a game changer. Imagine running multiple virtual machines simultaneously without a hint of lag, or editing 4K video footage with ease. That's the kind of performance this kit promises. Installation is straightforward, just like any other SODIMM module. Make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Locate the RAM slots, and carefully insert the modules. The kit is unbuffered and non-ECC, which is standard for laptop memory. Timetec offers a lifetime warranty from the date of purchase, which is a huge plus. It shows they stand behind their product. They also provide free technical support based in the United States, which can be helpful if you run into any issues. Now, let's talk about performance. While 2,400 MHz isn't the fastest DDR4 speed available, the sheer amount of RAM compensates for it in many scenarios. The increased memory capacity reduces the need for your system to rely on the hard drive or SSD as virtual memory, which significantly speeds up performance. The Timetec 160GB DDR4 SODIMM kit is a niche product, but for those who need it, it's a powerful upgrade. If you're constantly running out of memory and need the extra headroom for demanding tasks, this kit is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to check your laptop's compatibility and whether it can actually utilize that much RAM.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.